Hey lovelies, today I have got a Lush Valentine's Day haul, which is pretty exciting and probably quite predictable for this channel by now because I do mostly Lush videos, let's be honest, but I'm super excited to go through it with you this year. I actually quite like it this year. Usually I'm a bit sort of like Valentine's Day collection, it's probably my least favourite, but this year I actually quite like it, so let's get into it. So first up, what should I start with? I'm wondering if these are all... Oh, these are all. I'm not used to this packaging, I thought it was like Christmassy for a minute. Let me get into it. So first off, I'm going to start with a returning product, which looks different I believe. I don't think it looked like this last year. This one seems to be like ever changing, so this year it's kind of more a sort of darker pastel. And you've got the obligatory unicorn shot, I don't know if that's in camera, but yeah, it's super cute and I've now probably got like luster in my hair. This one has that kind of sort of yang yang scent. I never say it right, yang yang or yang yang, however you say it. It's got that scent, you probably know what I mean, and it is just, it's always a favourite, more because of the style of the thing, like it looks cute and it's a nice idea, and I feel like it's a nice one for anyone that is single and just doesn't want something with hearts all over it, because that can be a little bit much. What's next? I feel like I'm going to struggle remembering the names of some of these because there's no labels, and I remember one of them has this just ridiculously long name that even the people at Lush can remember, so I look forward to that one. This one is the Heartthrob Bubble Bar, and I think I haven't tried this before. I actually don't remember. Maybe I got it last year actually. I think last year was the first time I tried it, probably. I'll have to actually go and look at my blog and see, but it's this gorgeous, you know, heart bubble bar with this sort of golden inside. I think it's like a cocoa butter or something like that, super moisturising, and it's like a kind of Bubbleroon. And this smells lovely, very warm, very nice. I like this one a lot. What's next? I'll go to my favourite, which I believe is called the Lotta. I think that's what it's called anyway. And it's this adorable design. It's a cute little boat and you've got the heart on the front. It's got a lovely sort of, oh, I didn't even know that was there. It's got a yellow sort of base with little hearts, which I don't know if you can see that properly, but that's very cute. And this one I just think, it's one of these things that Lush comes up with and you would never think like, let's make a love boat, but it works, it really works. What's next? Tisty, Tosty, I believe that's the name, my Lush knowledge, redesigned with this beautiful pink. It's got a lovely rose scent. I love rose scents. This one I've always found a little bit underwhelming, to be kind of honest, because there's just sort of petals in it, and I never really like the ones with flowers in because it's a bit messy, but I think it looks so gorgeous in pink, and the scent is amazing. Next up is my absolute favourite, which probably is a bit contradictory because I think this one actually has rose in it, like rose petals, and it's this one. Coming back again this year in its sort of redesigned form that was like the new redesign form last year, and I believe it's called Rose Bombshell. Now I'm like, it's actually called that. If it's not, feel free to destroy me in the comments, but I believe that's what it's called. And last one is, what is it? It's the one with the weird name that I can't remember, and it is this lovely one here, and it is called Tries to Get on Phone Desperately. It smells quite kind of musky to me, to be honest. Quite a like fresh musky scent. Can I find out what it is? This is the sort of thing where they say like you should sort of look this up before you film a video on Lush products, but obviously I haven't done that. It is called, it has such a long name that I just like, I keep trying to remember it, and oh god. The Heart of Enlightened Expectation, which is it's a bit of a mouthful, that one, isn't it? It's actually the product that I kind of saw and I was like, okay, I'll get one because, you know, I might as well. And it's sort of like a bubble bar melt, which I've never tried before. I've never tried a bubble bar melt, so that'll be interesting. I might as well look up the ingredients now here. Oh, cocoa butter, geranium, jasmine and rose. Create a floral fantasy apparently. To me it's just a very sort of fresh scent. I do get the jasmine actually now that I've read that, but yeah, this one's alright. I think this one would be like really amazing because it would be bubbles and it will be moisturising because you've got the cocoa butter in there, but it's the one of like the set that I've kind of just thought, okay, that's like interesting, but it's not like the one that I was drawn to. I think the one that really won it for me this year is definitely the Love Boat because it's just so cute. But anyway, I'll just go through what I got again just so you can like think about what there is in the collection. So it's not all the collection by the way as well, it's only the bath bombs and the bubble bars. So you've got the Heart of Enlightened Expectation, is that right? I don't know. You've also got the unicorn horn, which I think if you don't love the unicorn horn, why not? You've got Tisty Tosty, which the roses are kind of falling out of this one, sadly. It's a very delicate one, that one. Be careful if you buy one. You've got heartthrob, and you've got, where is it? You've got the Lovelies, my favourite, and it's a bath one too. Ooh, my love boat's falling apart. Yeah, the back's falling a bit. And you've also got Rose Bombshell. I think that's everything. Yay! So that's it for today. Let me know what you think of the Valentine's Day collection. As I said, I actually quite like this year, which is rare for me, because usually, I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of Valentine's Day anyway, because most of my Valentine's Day have been spent like alone, being like forever alone, so yeah. But this year it's slightly different, but even so, never been the biggest fan of Valentine's Day. I think it's just one of those days that like if you're single, and even sometimes if you're in a relationship, it's just a bit like, I don't know, I think it's a weird day. But anyway, that is it for today's video. Hopefully I will try and film more. It's one of those things that when I'm blogging and I'm filming, it tends to be like I choose to blog over filming just because it's easier, because of natural lighting and everything, but I do love filming videos. So we'll see if 2018 is the year that I finally start filming videos properly and actually uploading them, but we will see. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye lovelies!